How to block buyer or seller in eBay. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to do so, in today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process. So open up the eBay application on your device. And then once you open up eBay, you should be finding this particular interface on your screen. Now you may just go ahead and look it up the seller or the buyer that you would like to block. You can head over the seller page for that. For example, you can use the search at the top and you can basically type in the product's name or the user's name that you would like to block, the seller or the buyer. For example, I would like to block the seller of this particular item. So you can head over to the product and you can usually find the seller's name right below the product name. Tap on their name. And when you tap on their name, you will be finding the information about the seller. So if you'd like to basically block them, you can tap on this option called contact seller and tap on it. Find that option and tap on it. After you reach over here, look out for the three dot in the top right corner of your screen. And when you tap on it, you will be finding different options called report message and block this member. So if you'd like to block that particular person, you can just go and tap on this option called block this member. And when you do so, the member will be blocked and you will be getting a confirmation message, and that's it. And that is it. So if you'd also like to block someone from eBay using eBay, the seller or the buyer, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.